Day one on the new Yamaha is done. The team brought me a great base to start with. It was really good right away in a lot of areas. Got the thing turning really nice. The thing has no lack of power either. It's a super fast bike that way, so had to get a little bit used to that. And then it was just fine tuning, like some brake things and then some suspension things. So typical stuff for a first day, but also not too bad for a first day. I would say the first day was a success. It's a good mix, it's a good crew, a nice refreshing environment and a good motivated environment, so we should be rocking. The motor is very balanced, like the vibration of the bike feels very balanced. Like you can be low rev, high rev, and the thing, you know, just has a nice feeling to it. Like for throttle control, that's a really nice area of the bike. Well, our next step is onto the Supercross track, so that'll be full bore, working at that to try to find the money setting.